What's going on, guys? Another little quick tip on the 300, the Chrysler 300. This applies to all V6 models, Chargers, Challengers. Well, not the Challenger, but basically those. If you notice, we got the fuel rail here that runs here, and we got the fuel injectors right here. These connections, you got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously a V6. But anyway, I noticed lately in the past, these connections are not as snug as they used to be. They're just they're in there, but I feel they're not snug enough. Those damn tabs, you see the red one? Oh, it's a little dirty here. Greenish, reddish, whatever. They've become loose over the time, and I notice your car will shake. Well, my car shakes just a little bit. And I've wondered why, and this could be the reason, could be not. But I notice when you pop them off, I've done this before, the oil cooler or whatever, the gaskets in here, under here. So of course you gotta remove these to get to back here. The oil sensor, the temperature sensor, everything's back there. So I noticed taking these off lately, they become loose, or I don't feel like they're catching right. So what I noticed, there's a little groove. You can't see it. Back here, it's in between here, right there. Can't see it, let me see. Point is that you can slide the smallest little ass zip tie between, there you go, right there. It comes in. Yeah, trying to show you, get a better, there you go. It'll come out through in there, obviously you see it. And luckily that little groove there helps you put one of these little zip ties, and that'll snug it up. See it coming out. So anyway, it's a little tip, and it's been working. I noticed a difference. My car doesn't shake when I'm at a light or whatever as I crank it up. It doesn't, I figured because these connections get loose from your coil pack to the ignition, and it's been working, so who knows, might work for you.